Hey guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about what it's like to cruise on the same cruise ship more than once, because this is a first for me. Let's talk about it. So for sure, one of the obvious things is that I already know the ship. And that has its pros and cons, I think. So one of my favorite parts of cruising is getting to go on a new ship for the first time and experience the joy and the exploration of discovering that ship and figuring out like where I want to be and what I want to do and where I'm going to hang out. This is my first time being on a ship more than once, and I'm finding myself in a different place. I already know this ship. I already know where I like to hang out. I already know what food I like to eat. I already know the places that make me happy and the places that I can do without. So I find myself just immediately going to that. And I do miss a little bit that exploration of the new ship. So I don't know if it's better or worse. I guess it depends on you. What makes you the happiest on a cruise? I think I could be very happy repeat cruising on the same ship, especially if it's one that I really love. I am on the Valiant Lady right now, and I wouldn't say she's my favorite ship, but she's a solid ship for sure. And there are definitely lots of wonderful things that I enjoy about her, like the ice cream, that Lick Me Till ice cream. Amazing. I love it so much. It was like one of the first things I did yesterday when I got on board. But yeah, so I am finding myself with some extra time on my hands because I'm not having to explore a ship and learn where the bathrooms are and learn where all the things are. So it's definitely a different level and a different experience of vacationing. Have you done it? Have you been on a cruise ship more than once? Is that your preference? Do you have a favorite one? If so, leave me a comment below. I'm dying to hear what y'all do. Like, do y'all only cruise on new cruise ships that you haven't been on? Do you only cruise on your favorite cruise ship? Leave me a comment below. Let's talk about it. And until the next time, guys, shake the tail feather.